everyone. Greetings from Hridoy Krishnadas. Our software development one project is number converting system, which is developed by programming language C. We know number are four types: decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. We can convert any types of number to others. As a team leader, I design and develop the program architecture and coordinate my all teammates for complete group-wise tasks. After their completion, if have bugs, I debug this and implement it on this program after successfully teamwork. We have complete our project and submit and present to our course teacher. Thank you.